Okay, we are going to show a demonstration of how our brake works, our dyno brake. We just had it completely rebuilt at Tampico transmission joint. We're going to first start it up. Okay, doesn't really make a difference what kind of carburetor it is, but what we did, right now the transmission is in park, and you'll be able to pre-rev it. This lets us check out the back barrels, high RPM operation, and so on and so forth. Like if you're sitting there with your vehicle just idling, looking at your girlfriend over with your arm around her, just revving it up, getting ready to show off to the boys on the street corner. Okay, now he's going to come around, and we're going to show you what we do. Now, you hear that motor slow down? He put that 64 Chevy lowrider in low gear. He's backing out. Now he's got it in drive, and we're going to go down the road with his girlfriend. Now the only thing we did right there, now we got a load, but we didn't put a load of just the weight of the car. We got it calibrated with our instruments to about double the weight of that car, pulling another car with a flat tire. So we got the rev limiter set here for 5,000 RPM. We're going to take it on up. We're going to see if that brake holds. There it is. 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 You saw that brake? You saw that motor start shaking? That's when it hits it right there. Okay? That's the end of that test. It's so smooth you can't even hear it run.
Once again, thanks to the guys at Tampico Transmission Repair in Houston, Texas for helping us out of a situation yesterday. This is for you guys.